Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A17. Yeah, for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol, because then you're here at the control center, and the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point General Management. It has a gray icon in front usually with some white stuff to adjust in it. Or count from below is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's in the 6th position then from below. So now you will need the first point here, language. And maybe you're having here right now a list, like in my case, a little list. And if your language is part of the list, like in my case, Deutsch, then just tap the language you want to have on the blue button after, and then the phone is in your language. In my case, in Deutsch now. Okay, let me turn it back to English because I want to show you what to do if your language is not part of the list, or if you don't have a list here. Just tap here on the green plus symbol to add a language. Okay, now you can choose from many languages. Choose just the language you want to have. Let's continue maybe here in English again to follow the video better. And at the second step, most of the time you can choose a local dialect. Let's choose maybe the dialect here from India. So greetings, by the way. And go then here on the most right one to set as default. Or if the text size is increased too much, then maybe it's below, no? So choose the most right one here. And then it's immediately set it as your language, no? So in my case now, English with the dialect of India. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question with my bad English. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this. And maybe if you want, you can leave a nice comment or give me something out. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.